It's very annoying when your favorite game is not downloading or installing or is very slow, as you can see here. This video will show you an alternative way to download the game with the updates. And when you open the site loader, Epic Launcher, it will detect it and find it. So go to this website, which I'm showing you here, also listed below, and download the offline installer. It will take some time because the big one is it's many gigabytes. And when you download it, extract the files and zip them, and after extract the other one, it's gonna create a massive amount of around 30 gigabytes of installation files. Afterwards, open that and run the installer, and when the installer finish, first select the installation folder that is your Fortnite, and make sure you have this correct. Install this, and when the installation finish, open the launcher, and open the Fortnite, and you will see that it will detect. It would need any updates. It would install the update from the moment it's left, and when you press launch, it should launch accordingly. Thank you for watching. I hope you solved the slow problem downloading and you can enjoy your favorite game, Fortnite. Thank you. Bye bye.